County in southeastern New York until 2:32
Let's go! We got an SVR!
1:32 p.m. A severe
Oh my gosh, SVR! Let's go!
moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour.
Oh my gosh! What the heck? SVR!
Source, radar indicated.
Oh my gosh!
Intact. Expect damage to trees and power lines.
That is insane.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Port Jervis around 1:35 p.m.
It's on KZZ31.
2:05 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, what the heck?
Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous clouds.
Bro, we got an SVR!
With this storm.
What the heck?
Move indoors
Oh my
immediately.
god.
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be
Oh my
struck by
god.
lightning.
Hail, damaging wind, and continuous
That is insane.
lightning are occurring with this storm. Move
Here is the
indoors
forecast
immediately.
for the New York City
Lightning is
metropolitan
one of
area.
nature's
Today,
Oh, shoot.
partly sunny. A chance of showers with a slight chance.
Let's go!
Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds.
Oh! Mount Holly should an SVR.
Highs in the lower 80s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.
Oh god.
Gusts up to 25 miles per hour this afternoon.
Oh shoot.
Chance of rain 30%.
Here it goes. Another one. Bro, what the heck? SVR from Mount Holly now. Oh my gosh, it's 406 New Jersey.
Moving east at 40 miles per
Bro,
hour.
what the heck?
Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to
Dude, what is happening?
wind damage to roofs.
Wind damage.
This is crazy.
Is possible.
and power lines.
Locations in Hampton include Vernon Valley,
Oh my god.
Sussex,
Vernon
Montague,
Valley,
Hinesville, and Highland Lake.
Montague,
For your protection,
What the
move to
heck is going on already?
for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
law enforcement
To
agencies.
report severe weather,
They will send
contact
your
your
report to
nearest.
the
This is insane.
in Mount Holly, New
They will
Jersey.
send your reports to the
Torrential
National
rainfall
Weather
is occurring with this
Torrential rainfall.
leading to flash flooding.
Torrential rainfall.
This is the first light risk event of 2025.
Flooding. Do not drive your
That's my
vehicle
dog.
through flooded roadways. Repeating.
Here is the
severe
forecast.
What the heck?
2 p.m. for the following counties.
Today, partly sunny.
New
Oh
Jersey.
my
Chance
god.
of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and
That
small
is
hail this
insane.
afternoon.